In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a tie-dye t-shirt. Step 1. You're gonna place the shirt and twist it in the middle. And then you're gonna take the side and shape it around the sparrow. Step 2. You're gonna secure your shirt using a rubber band. Step 3. You're gonna start with your first color. The color we use here is red, violet, and black. 2,000 years later. This is now the final look.